Dear friends, we would like to apologize for the delay in uploading the upcoming part of our school fees management system. However, we are pleased to share the complete source code of our school fees management system with you here. Afterward, we will demonstrate to you regarding how to run this system on your local computer. Firstly, we would like to demonstrate where you can download the complete source code of the school fees management system. This blog contains the school fees management system and provides a download link for the complete source code. You can also find this link in the video description. To access the source code link, you need to scroll down the web page. Please note that only the online demo link of the fees management system is available here. So we have click on this link, and after click on this link, here we can see that you can view the online demo of the system here, which displays the login page on the web page. And below this login form, you will also find the login details. You can copy the email address details, and then after, enter the password details to proceed. After that, you need to click on the login button. And once you click on the login button, you will be directed to the fees management system, where you can access its all features. And by following this link, you can check out the complete online demo of the fees management system. To download the source code, you need to access the left menu list. At the bottom of the left sidebar, you will find the download link for the source code. So we would like to click on the link, and you will be directed to a page where you can download the source code. You should be able to see that the fees management system's complete source code file has been downloaded onto your local computer. You should now be able to see that the fees management system's complete source code file has been downloaded in RAW format on your computer. You should move the file from its current location and paste it into the directory from where you run PHP scripts. Next, you should extract the contents of the file by right-clicking on the source code file. You should now be able to see the extracted files. And now we have opened this folder file under text editor. But before opening the folder in the text editor, you need to open PHPMyAdmin in your web browser. You need to create a new database in PHPMyAdmin, and under this database, the tables will be created automatically when you run the school fees management system. Next, you should open the database connection file in the text editor. Under this file, you need to define the database configuration details. In the database hostname field, enter localhost. In the database name field, enter the name of the database which you have created earlier in PHPMyAdmin. In the database username field, enter root and leave the password field with blank value. Now, below the database connection details, we will find a PHP function for establishing a connection with the database using the configuration details we just entered. After this, we need to define the base URL of the system in the variable named base URL, preceded by a $sign. Here we need to specify the URL that will be used to access the fees management system through a web browser, and this is done by defining the value of the $base URL variable. Now that we have copied the base URL and saved the file, and we can proceed to open the system in a browser. After saving the changes to the file, we can switch back to the browser and paste the base URL in the address bar. Then, we can press enter to navigate to the fees management system. So after pressing enter, the login page of school fees management system will be displayed on the browser. Now in PHPMyAdmin, here we can see that tables with fill sample database has been created in the database. So here, we do not need to create database table, because it will automatically create table. when we have first time run this fees management system in the browser. Now here, we have entered login details, like email address and password. And then after, we have click on login button, so after click on login button. Here we can see that, we have entered into fees management system, and here we can test. Complete fees management system, this is because, here sample data already inserted in all table, so you can easily test complete school fees management system. And you can check all module of this school fees management system in your local computer. So this way, you can download complete source code of the school fees management system and run the school fees management system in your local computer. Finally, we apologize for not publishing the remaining part of the fees management system. If you have any queries or feedback regarding this fees management system, please feel free to write them in the comment box below. Furthermore, in our next video, we will be showcasing the society management system along with its complete source code. So we look forward to seeing you in the next part.